Hey guys, this is how to fix that Bluetooth is connected but no sound error in your Android phone. So let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open up your settings and now scroll all the way down. Click on system, click on reset options, and now you have to simply click on the first option here. But if you not find this reset option, what you need to do is to simply search in your search bar for your reset options. Once you find it, click on it. Click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. But if you not find this option, what you need to do, simply select for reset all networks option in your mobile. So once you find it, you have to simply select here your network that you are using. Then click on reset settings. Put here your PIN or password to continue. Click on next. Click on reset settings. After completing this process, you just need to restart your device. After restarting, turn on your airplane mode for a couple of minutes. Right after that, turn it off and then again try to connect your Bluetooth with your device. Right after that, your all problem will be fixed 100%. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.